Dear friend, if you're suffering from aches, pain, and creaky joints every time you walked up the stairs or bend down to tie your shoes, then you've come to the right place, because what you're about to discover are the proven home remedies and simple exercises that are scientifically proven to relieve joint aches. Fun fact, according to the researchers of the U.S. Centers for Disease and Control Prevention, 27 million Americans are affected by joint problems. There are several reasons how joint pain occurs. Reason number one, injury. It could be from sports or self-accident. Any injuries affecting the ligaments, bursae, or tendons surrounding the joints can give you the pain and make it hard for you to move. Reason number two, inflammation, such as arthritis, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, and osteoarthritis, which you can find out more about this later. Reason number three, aging. When you age, your cartilage tends to tear and wear. This causes all sorts of nasty pain for every time you make a movement. Even though joint pain is a common problem that is likely to happen to people as they age, that doesn't mean this problem is absolutely non-preventable, or at least you can slow down the rate of ligaments and tear and wear. The good news is you don't have to experience that pain anymore, because I've compiled my research on everything you need to know about joint health into one easy-to-read guide. What I'll be sharing with you are the strategies based on proven scientific research to slow down and to relieve pain associated with joint problems. It's time to say goodbye to joint problems. Introducing Joint Health 101, the right way to keep your joints healthy. Joint Health 101 is the ultimate guide for understanding the most common health dilemma that affected millions of people, joint problems. What you're about to discover in this guide is everything you need to know about joint health, plus scientifically proven methods for relieving and reducing the effect of joint pain. If you are suffering from aches, pains, and creaky joints, or you just want to take effective measures to avoid this problem, then this guide is definitely for you. Here are the things you will discover in the Joint Health 101. 3 things you don't want to happen when you don't take care of your joints. How to know if your joints are damaged, the 4 signs to look for. Symptoms of the 5 common joint problems you must know. If you find it hard to climb the stairs or to bend down, read Chapter 2 immediately. The 1 thing you can do to prevent joint damage and improve joint strengths. 4 specific joint exercises you can do to strengthen your joints. 3 key things to keep in mind when performing joint exercises. The 2 most important nutrients for joint health revealed in Chapter 4. One of the best foods to eat when you have inflammation. 6 types of food and drinks to avoid when you have joint problems. How your body weight affects your joints and what to do about it. How to do a simple standing posture exercise that will reduce the stress on your knees, legs, and back. 9 simple home remedies to relieve joint aches. This is for people who want to avoid the side effects of prescribed drugs. 7 must-have supplements backed by scientific research for optimum joint health. 1 common mistake that most people ignore that secretly degrades their joint health without them knowing. 4 treatments to relieve excruciating joint aches, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. This is the golden key for those who want to reduce the pain associated with joints, reverse arthritis and other common joint problems, avoid taking over-the-counter medications by opting for simple home remedies, move freely without experiencing any sorts of pain, restore their youthful mobility and flexibility, lead a healthier and happier life. So here's the good news. You get the Joint Health 101 at a low one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate guide is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you can get rid or reduce joint pain. All you have to do from here onwards is apply what you learn from the Joint Health 101 for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvements in your joint health, just return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, there's more. If you get Joint Health 101 right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of Joint Health 101. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you will discover throughout the entire course. You will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Joint Health 101 by pages. You get all these bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. You only have 3 options right now. Option A, Do nothing. If you choose to do nothing, your life will remain the same as where you are right now. Option B, look for other solutions. While there are other solutions out there, I've already made the research on everything you need to know about joint health in this guide. All the scientific research I made is presented in an easy to understand language. So you don't have to do any more extra research, and you can straight away apply the remedies from this guide to help you get rid of joint pain. I don't want you to waste your time and effort. Option C, get the Joint Health 101. I've explained to you how the Joint Health 101 can help you reduce and reverse the effect of joint problems so you can move more freely, live a pain-free life, and bring back the youth in you. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from the Joint Health 101, you can send me an email and I will return 100% of your money back. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose with this offer. Now is the time to get rid of joint aches once and for all. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.